Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Ke F&D Bina Electronic Shop ko UM Hablis Complex halat Stadium Jowai na do usnem arjar khatwi de kendria no ya ka cha CNI Building ko halat Stadium hi harut ke yaw thame. Hagani kedukan F&D Bina Electronic Shop yi uyo ya ki jai light waper na do ki mobile phone ki TV ki rice cooker ki electric kettle ki speaker ki tiar computer wa ki video. Nagani kedukan ye le ki pajba uthit tiar dewasu markti ka poisa la ne dewasu kajak sisin lengba ke EMI.